I do want to come back to the 3 commitments we made when we acquired VMware. First, we're simplifying VMware. We're simplifying the business, the products. From 8,000 SKUs before acquisition, we're down to 4 core offerings. That's all you need. Second, we're investing a lot to make these products easy to use and easy to work together, and to give you that robust catalog of advanced services to help deliver your applications. And finally, very importantly, we are investing to enhance the ecosystem for our partners and for you, our customers.